Alright, welcome back to the Furious Hot Wheels. Today I'm featuring two Nissan Skylines GTR, R-32 and R-34. Now there are some, I think, the red ones, but I personally chose the blue one again because I like how it looks, the white stripe on it, and actually it has the mirror on it. If you look, not many Hot Wheels do you have it. Like, see this Skyline? It has mirrors on the picture, but in real life it doesn't. And I kind of like how this looks, the blue one. It's nice and blue with the featuring Yokohama tires. So I'm opening this one right now. Pretty nice looking one. Skyline. And as you see, yes, the steering wheel is on the right side, just like on the regular Nissan Skylines. All of them do come with a right-hand drive. Now it's time for the green one. Pretty nice looking green color with a black stripe, two stripes in the center. Spoiler on it. Yep, right-hand steering wheel. Nice black. The tires on it. This one has pretty good accent, which is kind of look pretty good for an older sporty sports car. Thank you.